Hello and welcome to Just the Chords. Today's video is a Taylor Swift music theory lesson looking at time signatures. In this video, we'll be looking at 4 different Taylor Swift songs with 4 different key signatures to help us understand this concept. We'll be looking at Tolerate It, So Long London, and others. First off today, we'll take a look at So Long London from the Tortured Poets department. So Long London sounds complicated with all of its layers, but it is in the time signature 4/4, which means there are 4 beats per measure, and the quarter note gets the beat. The quarter note is those first 4 individual notes we see in the first measure. They are all tied together, but they are 1, 2, 3, 4 on so long, London, done. 4 of those quarter notes per measure, so our time signature is 4/4. This is what about 85% of Taylor Swift's songs are in the time signature of. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, it's. Next, we'll look at Tolerate It. This is kind of a complex one. This song is in 5/4, which is as complicated as it sounds, meaning there are 5 beats per measure, and once again with 4 on the bottom, it means that quarter note gets the beat. So we'll be counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That unevenness helps provide the uneasy feeling throughout the whole song. We get it as 1, 2, 4 and 5 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 1. Next we'll look at Lover. Lover is in what we call compound meter, meaning now the 8th note is what we're gonna feel. So we see that this time signature has a 12/8. So we could think of that as 12 8th notes per measure, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 in every measure, but we'll be feeling that in 4 big groups of 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and a 4 and a 2. The last song of our time signature lesson we'll look at today is Dear John. This song I am going to look at in 2 different time signatures. The first is 3/4, meaning there's 3 beats per measure, and the quarter note, the 4 on the bottom, quarter note gets the beat. We would hear this as 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. But notice, with that same feel, we could also write it in 6/8. It would feel the same, sound the same. We would just be thinking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 instead of 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Sounds the same, just a different way to write it out. So to recap, we looked at 4 different songs today. 2 of them were in simple meter, meaning they had that quarter note feel to them. That was Tolerate It, and that was So Long London, and 1 version of Dear John. And then we looked at songs in what we call compound meter that had the 8th note on the bottom of the time signature, and we feel that in big groupings of 3. We saw 12/8 for Lover, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then one of the Dear Johns we saw on 6/8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whenever you feel that kind of swing to the songs, they're going to be in that compound meter. But that's only about 10% or less of Taylor's songs, or all pop songs for that matter. Thank you so much for joining me today. I loved learning a little music theory with you with one of our favorite pop artists. Be sure to check out the other Taylor Swift music theory lessons and chord tutorials here on Just the Chords. Please consider subscribing to our channel. We have 2 levels of membership with lots of fun benefits. Take a look at it here, and I will link to the subscription page. See you next time.